I'm recording at 1526 Harrington Avenue in Renton. The date is March 14th, 2018. I'm recording from the roof vent above there's a 2-toilet setup down there. I'm recording from the roof vent from the main stack. And I'm pulling back from 88 feet. Right now I'm in SDR 35 pipe. About 88 feet out, and that's as far as my camera will go. So, recording and pulling back, I'll narrate as we go. It's always going to fall down there, that's why I don't coil it up. So this SDR pipe is in good condition. Go into something tying in there. That's the 4x6 where the 4-inch pipe connects to the 6-inch. We're now in 4-inch SDR 35. Flip it back around so we're bottom. As you can see, pipe's all in good condition. Hits a turn, a 90-degree turn at about 55 feet out. Oh, you don't have to do that. It kind of screws up my footage meter. Oh, okay. Thanks anyway. Appreciate the help.
Sorry, I totally like
No, you're fine. It's all an estimation anyway. Okay, so the footage is going to be a little off, but it always is. We're now back into, looks like clay pipe, somewhere around 40 feet out. We'll pull back through the clay. Is this cast iron? Could be cast iron pipe. I'm pulling back through now. Yeah. This is all cast iron. So again, in good condition. See no reasons for a backup. And now we're in ABS pipe. Takes a turn there. It's a little bit flat coming through there. Some grease buildup on the top of the pipe. But now we're coming back up the roof vent. There's the roof vent. Technician is Casey. Signing out.